Welcome to Lesson Planned Kitchen. Today we're making my family's blueberry muffin recipe. Start by preheating your oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. We're going to be making a vegan version and a healthier version. Start with 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, followed by a 1/4 cup of sugar in a bowl. Add to that 2½ teaspoons baking powder and 3/4 teaspoons salt. Mix it all up. Then make it vegan with an egg substitute of 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of water. Substitute out the milk with 3/4 cup of soy milk, and then add 1/3 cup cooking oil. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of sugar on 1 cup of blueberries and combine them well before adding them to your muffin dough mixture. Now we're going to follow the same recipe but make it healthier with even more substitutions. To diversify the flour base, we're going to use 1/2 cup all-purpose and wheat flour and 3/4 cup vital wheat gluten flour. Swap out the sugar with a 1/4 cup of stevia. Add the same proportions of baking soda and salt and combine just like before. Then create your egg substitute with the cornstarch and water. Instead of oil, we're going to be using a 1/3 cup of unsweetened applesauce. Once more, combine everything, and you'll notice the dough is just a little bit thicker. Finally, swap the sugar for stevia again, combine it with the blueberries, and mix it in the dough. Fill the muffin tins about 2/3 of the way and bake for 25 minutes. The vegan muffins have about 161 calories, only a small amount of protein, and quite a few carbs and sugars and fats. The healthy muffins have the calories, double the protein, and drop the sugar and fat substantially. Both versions taste great, and there's really little difference in the crumb. So I hope you give them a try, and let me know what you think. Which type of muffin is your favorite? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with someone who'd enjoy making it. If you haven't, consider subscribing. More recipes can be found on lessonplannedkitchen.com and here on YouTube.